Exfoliate before waxing, removes dead skin cells for a smoother wax, helps prevent ingrown hairs, opens up hair follicles for easier removal. Use a gentle scrub or chemical exfoliant. Boss. Exfoliate 24 hours before waxing to avoid irritation. Choose the right wax. Hard wax is best for sensitive areas like the bikini line. Soft wax is ideal for larger areas, but may be harsher. Look for wax with natural soothing ingredients, for example, chamomile, aloe. Stripless wax reduces pain and adheres better to hair. Trim hair to the right length. Hair should be 1/4 to 1/2 inch long for best results. Too long equals more pain. Too short equals wax won't grip well. Use small scissors or an electric trimmer. Avoid shaving for 2-3 weeks before waxing. Proper length reduces breakage and ingrown hairs. Prep your skin with powder or oil. A light dusting of baby powder absorbs excess moisture. If you have dry skin, a tiny bit of oil prevents the wax from sticking to skin. Avoid using lotion or heavy creams before waxing. Proper prep ensures the wax adheres only to hair, not skin. Reduces friction and makes waxing less painful. Apply wax in the right direction. Always apply wax in the direction of hair growth. Helps the wax grab hair from the root for better removal. Prevents unnecessary irritation and breakage. Apply evenly to avoid thick, uneven layers. Thin layers of wax work best for effective hair removal. Remove wax the right way. Hold the wax strip against hair growth for clean removal. Hold the skin taut to minimize pain and prevent bruising. Remove wax quickly to avoid excessive discomfort. Don't wax over the same area more than twice. Use a soothing after wax product immediately after removal. Soothe skin immediately after waxing. Apply aloe vera or witch hazel to reduce redness and inflammation. Avoid hot showers, saunas, or workouts for 24 hours. Wear loose, breathable clothing to prevent irritation. Use cold compresses if necessary to calm irritation. Stay away from chemical-based lotions or perfumes. Prevent and treat ingrown hairs. Exfoliate 2 to 3 times per week post-waxing. Use salicylic acid or glycolic acid to prevent bumps. Don't pick or squeeze ingrown hairs. Use a warm compress. Keep skin moisturized, but not overly greasy. Avoid tight underwear or synthetic fabrics that cause friction. Stick to a regular waxing routine. Wax every 3-4 weeks for best results. Frequent waxing weakens hair follicles, leading to finer regrowth. Over time, pain decreases as hair becomes thinner. Avoid shaving in between waxing sessions, it disrupts the cycle. A consistent routine helps achieve longer-lasting smoothness. Know when to avoid waxing. Don't wax right before or during your period. Skin is extra sensitive. Avoid waxing sunburn or irritated skin. If you have cuts, wounds, or infections, wait until healing. Certain medications like retinol or Accutane can make skin extra sensitive. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more.